Hey guys, welcome back to Treasurable Kitchen. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Today I am doing mini donuts for commercial purpose. Let's get started with the video. I'll be sieving 4 cups of flour into my bowl. It is always necessary to sieve your flour to avoid dirt getting into your flour. After sieving, I'll go in with half cup of sugar, 10 grams of yeast, baking powder and salt. I will list all the ingredients and measurements in the description. Do well to check it out. After mixing my dry ingredients together, I will set it aside. In another bowl, I will go in with 1.5 cup of warm water. Warm water, very important, use warm water. Then I will go in with 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor and 50 ml of vegetable oil. I will mix my wet ingredients together and I will transfer this to my dry ingredients. After adding this into my dry ingredients, I will mix together using my spatula till it is hard to mix. Once the mixture is getting more sticky, then I will go in with my hands and mix it together. Once it becomes more sticky, I will transfer to my working surface. Then I will go in with 50 grams of margarine. You can use butter if you desire. I will mix this together. Then I will start to knead. I will knead my dough till everything has incorporated very well. Then afterward, I will set this aside and allow it to prove. I'll transfer to my bowl and I'll cover this and allow to proof for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, my dough have doubled in size. I'll give it a feast to deflate the air. Then I'll transfer it back to my working surface. I'm going to knead this dough for about 5 minutes. Kneading the dough properly is very important at this stage. So I'll knead my dough very well. If you have a mixer, it will save you a lot of stress. But if you don't have a mixer, this is how you'll be kneading your dough for about 5 minutes. Once I was done with kneading, I'm going to divide my dough into 4 equal parts. Then I will roll each part out. If you've watched to this point, that means you are actually enjoying this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment. I would like to hear from you. And if this is your first time of coming across my videos, you are highly welcome to the family. I would like to know where you are watching this video from. Don't forget to drop a comment. So let's continue. I'll be rolling out my dough just like this. And once I was done rolling, I'm going to bring out the shape. So this is what I will use to cut out the shape. And after I've done cutting, then I will use my pizza slicer to bring out the lines in the middle of the donut. So once I was done with this, I removed the excess and roll it out again to bring out the shape till I have adjusted everything. So This is the pizza slicer. I will use it to put the line in the middle, just like this. I'll repeat this process till I have exhausted the dough. Then once I'm done, I will transfer them to my parchment paper. If you don't have a parchment paper, you can just sprinkle a little flour on the working surface and transfer them there. So this is what it looks like. Then I will set that aside. Then for this next dough, I'm going to also roll it out. Then I'm going to give this a square shape. Once I was done rolling, I'm going to slice out the ones that are not lining very well with the other ones. I'm going to cut it out like this to make sure they are all in equal shape. Then I will slice it from the middle and slice it again from the side. And once I was done slicing, I'm soon also going to put the lines in the middle. So you can give it any shape you want, any desire, just be creative. So once I was done cutting in the shape, I'm going to set it aside together with the ones I've already rolled out. Then I will allow this to prove again for another 30 minutes. So I cover with my towel and allow it to prove. And after 30 minutes, they've doubled in size. So now I'll transfer to my frying pan and fry this in a medium heat. So guys, note when you are frying yours, make sure you are always there to turn it. If not, it will get burnt. So it's always good while frying donuts. It's very good that you should be there because it does not waste time to fry. So I'm going to flip it to the other side, and once they are golden brown, they are ready. So I'm going to set this aside, and I'm also going to do this same process for the other shape I cut out. Look how beautiful they are looking, guys, and they taste really good. So my customers will actually give me a good review that they love both the shape and the taste. So please guys, if you will try this out, let me know in the comment section. This is actually my business. This is what I do. So once I was done with frying, this is all that came out for just 4 cups of flour. Guys, what do you think? Is this not amazing? I was able to achieve all this for just 4 cups of flour. So after I allowed it to cool, I will now start packaging it. So this is how it's looking. Uh-uh. Guys, I really deserve a like in this video. Please like this video so that you too will recommend it to people that actually needs it. You can start selling this, guys. What do you think about this? Mini donuts. They are really, really nice. I would really love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.